E kaunti noero ma Migori eni MCAs e kaunti ma Migori osingo mar tiyo kod thuolo mar jumbe ariyo magiyueye e ting'o malo kwan ji mandikore kaka joluto ombulu e kaunti noero ma Migori e chenro mar ndikruok mar joluto ombulu mabende atimore ayanga e pacho kaendi. Aduol matayo weche mag yiero e pacho kaendi manoeri IEBC noketo target mar ndiko joluto ombulu manyien 1,426,446 e kaunti ma Migori ato nyaka gi seche gieki makoro odong' juma achiel kende to chenro makamano rumo ji 18,162 kende ema osendikore kaka joluto ombulu manyien e kaunti noero ma Migori ma en atamalo 14 kende mar joluto ombulu e kaunti noero. Jatend jogo mathoth e County Assembly ma Migori manoeri ne story Owiyo wacho ni gibuok ahinya kod kwan matin mar jogo mabende osekawo kura e kaunti ma Migori kendo koro gibiro tiyo kod thuolo margi mar yueyo mochakore ayanga tarik 21 dwe mar 10 higani e jiwo oganda mondo owuog oko okaw kura. Akane oloso e alap mar assembly noero kotene kod jatend duond od bura noero mar ODM bade ma Migori manoeri Migosi Philip Makabongo akachiel kod MCAs mamoko. Owiyo owacho ni gibiro jiwo oganda okaw kura kaka yorno mar ting'o malo kwan joluto ombulu e kaunti noero ma Migori.
So far we are in the third week, we are almost remaining with just 1 week. And the data that we are having at our disposal at the moment concerning the number that have registered so far is really, really discouraging. This forced us as leaders to come out today and appeal to our members, everyone, and all of them that had not registered before, to take this particular opportunity at the remaining short period of mass voter registration to ensure that they reach the various registration centers and ensure that they are registered within this short particular period that is remaining. We are aware after this mass registration we are not going to close, the IEBC is not going to close the process. But we wanted our members to utilize this particular opportunity when these kids are being moved closest to their homes to register in large numbers. So far, as a county, we had a target of 126,446 new registered voters that we are expecting to register in this particular county. Unfortunately, up to the moment, only 18,162 has turned out and registered. That is seriously disheartening because in terms of percentage that is just 14%. And the period that is remaining is also very short. That's why we decided to come here together as leadership of Migori and particularly as members of ODM, putting into consideration that this period we are focused as a party to ensure that we ensure that Raila Amolo Odinga takes the presidency.
We realize people tell us, give us the ID card. So we as a team, you are lawmakers, which I don't belong to. I would wish that all the MCAs, the honorable members, let us look for ID cards first and then let us blame ourselves. The whole country has not reached the target. And that means there is something wrong, a miscalculation somewhere. We can't fail from the lake to the ocean to the mountains and up to the deep here. That nobody has achieved. So what we have realized is one. The others, is there any voter apathy? Is there a problem in Migori? That one is for you to answer.
I thought it was a good coincidence that we can have our members move out there and help in encouraging and mobilizing our people to register as voters. But first and foremost, I want to make an appeal, a strong appeal, the Civil Registration Department, so that those of our people, especially from MIGORI County, who have registered for identity cards, we have cases from 2019, 2020, and even from the beginning of this year, 2021, who have been registered, but they are yet to receive the identity cards. So let's be told what is happening. If those cards are not coming, then let's have those people register again. But if they are coming, let them come so that people can take advantage of this period to register en masse. Fortunately, this is a matter that we are seized of, and most members from their wards, they have formed teams. We have teams in the sub-counties who are going around mobilizing, using media, radio station, local radio stations, and then other means, even using loudspeakers mounted on cars to call upon our people to come out and register in large numbers. So I hope that during this time, the few weeks remaining, we shall have our numbers increase because of the increased activity of the involvement of our members. I think that's all that I can say at this moment.
To categorically say that our youth are reluctant in getting their IDs from where they are. So I just want to urge the public, together with the Department of Interior, that let the DCCs, the ACCs, and the chiefs, that is particularly the administration, let them help us get out those ID cards to the youth who have not registered as voters.